Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable and how to disable a 3-finger swipe down gesture for a screenshot for Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to accessibility and convenience. Then we need to navigate to the screenshot menu. And here we have our screenshot gestures. At the top we have tutorial with explanation what's what, and here we have our switches. So we can enable our 3-finger swipe down screenshot from here. We also have some other options that we can turn on or off. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.